Hey guys, I'm Helen and this is English in Details. Today I'm going to talk about the future continuous tense. To start with, most textbooks say that the future continuous refers to an action that will be in progress at a certain moment or in a certain period of time in the future. For example,
Hi, Beth. Hi. You'll be sharing Beth's room.
You'll be sharing bathroom. Although there is no time marker in this example, the context suggests that the girls will be sharing the room during the whole summer. But hey, the future continuous has much more uses where it is encountered more frequently both in oral and written speech. So today I'm going to discuss these meanings. But since there are many of them, I've decided to split this video into two parts so it wouldn't be too long. Now let's move on to the uses. First of all, we use the future continuous to refer to a supposed future action when we have good reasons to be determined that the action will actually take place. So we think it inevitable. Now let's take a look at what is meant by good reasons. First, it can be current situations or circumstances. For instance, two girls just entered the same university and became first-year students. And one of them says, "We'll be seeing a lot of each other." As you can see, the fact of the two girls entering the same university makes their further meetings unavoidable. Now let me give you another example. For those who have seen the movie White Oleander, I would like to remind you of the scene when the child services came to Astrid, a teenage girl, after her mother had been arrested, to tell her that her mother would not come back home.
Your mother won't be coming home.
The situation where the girl's mother is in custody makes it impossible for her mother to come back home. Therefore, we're using the future continuous. Comparing the future continuous with the use of will and be going to, we should keep in mind that the use of will implies giving an opinion about the possibility of an action happening in the future. The use of be going to points out to a certain tendency which the speaker believes may ultimately, but not necessarily, lead to the result they refer to. Talking of the future continuous tense, we mean there are certain established preconditions which indicate that a future action is unavoidable or imminent. Second, the future continuous is used when a speaker has no doubt that an action will happen in the future based on his or her experience as an expert, or based on the knowledge or information that allows them to think so. For example, a design engineer with 35 years of experience says to his junior colleague, "If you follow this design path, you will be running into all sorts of trouble." In this situation, the experience of the old design engineer allows him to unmistakably predict the negative outcome if his junior colleague makes the wrong choice. 3. The future continuous is used when an action is expected in the natural course of events. Let's imagine there are two men attending a very important event, and one of them says, "The press is here. They will be taking photos." The expected action here is that the press will take pictures as a result of the natural course of events, as taking pictures is part of their job. This is something they always do and the reason why they came. That is why here we are also using the future continuous. I took the next example from a book. In an attempt to avoid punishment, a criminal is taking advice from his friend, a detective. So the detective advises him to leave the south of the United States, saying the following phrase: "Every state around will be watching for a car damaged the way yours is." The fact that the police will search for the criminal's car is a natural course of events, as it is prescribed by law. That's all for now. We're going to look at the remaining uses of the future continuous in the next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. See you soon. Bye bye.